Well, UAB Health System branching out, acquiring Ascension St. Vincent's.
If approved, that would include hospitals in Birmingham, Pell City, Aniana, and Clanton, not to mention other facilities and clinics. We have live team coverage for you tonight, and first we want to get out to WVTM 13's Lisa Crane with the big announcement.
Yeah, this is a huge move by UAB Health Systems, which was already the largest in the state. And once this deal goes through, it'll make UAB's medical footprint even larger. Now, under the deal announced today, under that agreement approved today, UAB will take over the 5 St. Vincent's hospitals as well as the 119 campus, the Trussville freestanding emergency department, and other Ascension imaging centers and clinics. UAB leaders say they'll pay Ascension $450 million for all those St. Vincent properties. The UAB Health System Board voted to approve the purchase at a special call board meeting this morning.
This will be a substantial investment, but the rigorous vetting clearly demonstrates that this is an appropriate investment to make in both the UAB and St. Vincent's teams and the people and communities we collectively serve.
Now, UAB leaders say Ascension leaders actually got in touch with them and approached them about this proposal at the end of last year, and they have spent the last 6+ months doing that due diligence. WVTM 13's Magdala Lusant is also live here at St. Vincent's, not too far from here. And Magdala, I bet many patients right now are wondering how this might impact them.
Yes, Lisa, some of those patients who tell us they have doctors at St. Vincent's called our newsroom today concerned about how this takeover is going to impact their care. Well, today UAB says it shouldn't. St. Vincent patients now visiting the Ascension Trussville freestanding emergency department will fall under the UAB hospital system umbrella come fall.
Thank you for putting your trust in these great organizations and allowing us to serve you.
Tuesday, UAB's Board of Trustees voted to take ownership of Ascension's care sites. This includes hospitals in Birmingham, Blount, Chilton, and St. Clair counties. Ascension's imaging centers and clinics will be managed by UAB too. The CEO of the UAB and Ascension St. Vincent's Alliance, which was created in 2020, says St. Vincent's patients can stay with the providers they've built trust with.
Today's news will not disrupt your care. On the contrary, I hope it demonstrates to you as patients that we are willing to do the difficult and innovative things to make sure you maintain access to world-class care.
Hospital officials say those who work for Ascension, their jobs will not be threatened by this major change.
Most, if not all, of the roughly 5,000 caregivers and associates will remain in their roles. Employee compensation and benefits are anticipated to be comparable to those currently provided.
I asked UAB, how does this change impact people with insurance not covered under the UAB health system? I'm told patients should discuss insurance options with their provider. Over time, we would hope to continue to streamline access for all patients across facilities. UAB also telling us today that the medical staff's bylaws will remain the same. UAB also wants to make financial investments into Ascension's clinics and its infrastructure, and they have plans to create a co-model remodel. And as far as what that looks like at this moment, we're told we'll find out in the coming months. We're live in Birmingham. I'm Magdala Lusant. Back to you, Lisa.
All right, Magdala, thank you. Now, the transaction is expected to be finalized this fall, but it must first be approved by state regulatory agencies and the Catholic Church. We'll keep you posted on that. Live in Birmingham, Lisa Crane, WVTM 13.
Make sure that you have the WVTM 13 app for developments in the acquisition. It'll lay out all you need to know, including the timeline of the takeover.